Hi everyone, I'm Jacob. In this demo, I'll show you how Front empowers teams to deliver a premium customer experience without sacrificing speed. Front is the modern CX platform for customer-first businesses. Unlike other AI-powered help desks that attempt deflection at the expense of the customer, Front AI starts smart and keeps getting smarter. We use AI to analyze all your conversations and map out why customers contact you. You can define how these conversations should be routed based on the topic identified. Then, we assist your agents with ready-to-send replies and allow you to fully automate routine tasks as confidence increases. This new level of control means you no longer have to sacrifice service quality for speed. Let's jump into the demo and see this in action. I'll start by giving you an overview of our unified workspace that combines the support queue, individual inboxes, and internal collaboration all into one platform. In the bottom left, you have shared inboxes, where you can manage all of your conversations for every customer-facing team. I have a support workspace with tiered inboxes, and I've connected all my communication channels, including email, front chat, SMS, WhatsApp, and Dialpad. In the top left, you have your agent workspace, where teammates can connect their individual inbox, work on tickets that have been assigned to them, and manage tasks. It's organized into open, later, and done to make it easy for agents to prioritize urgent work and track follow-ups. Clicking into a shared inbox, you can see the queue of conversations my team needs to handle, the full conversation with AI and real-time collaboration built right in, and finally a sidebar to surface contextual information like contact details, AI add-ons, and integration plugins for other systems like Jira, Dialpad, and Salesforce. Now that you've gotten a high-level tour, let's look at some example workflows. First, let's take a look at how your agents will handle standard tickets. Here, we have a ticket that came into our support inbox. Front AI automatically detected the ticket topic as being around parent-child hierarchies. We know that this is an unsupported product feature request, and we've set up this ticket topic to be automatically routed to the right team, so they can review the feature request and ensure it's properly logged in Jira. We can also see an SLA timer at the top of the ticket, which helps me prioritize getting tickets done in compliance with our service level agreement. Thankfully, Front's AI and automation features make it easy to get customers a fast, complete reply. Front AI has already created a suggested reply based on past conversations and our knowledge sources. We make it clear what sources were used, agents have a chance to review, and Front AI will learn what is safe to automate over time. AI training without the lift. We've also set up a workflow with Front's automation engine to create a Jira feature request directly from Front. I can click the log feature request macro, a pop-up will ask me for more information, and then once I hit submit, the magic happens. First, Front triggers an action in Jira to create the feature request. Second, a Jira object related to the newly created feature request is linked to the conversation, which displays relevant information about the feature request in Front. And my work here is done. I've easily added the feature request to Jira, and this suggested reply looks great, so I can send and resolve this conversation with one click. The last ticket was a pretty basic example I was able to handle on my own. But what if it's a complex issue that requires investigation by another team? Let's look at how seamless it is to loop other teams into Front to collaborate on those complex issues. A message has come in with the topic around contract renewal updates, so we've routed this to our CSM team to handle since contracts are a sensitive issue. It looks like they're asking to remove 20 seats at renewal because it's too expensive and they aren't seeing enough value. We have a process to prevent churn or downsells, so based on this topic, we've moved this message into our customer success inbox and have automatically assigned it to the right CSM based on account data. I can also view their SFDC contract info with key information like utilization, which I see is low. They've been a long-term customer, so I'd like to get my manager's input on how best to proceed. I can easily loop in my manager behind the scenes to ask for support, and they have the complete context they need to weigh in. Finally, I can create a linked task to check with the PMM team about when our registration opens for the new product webinar. Tasks in Front are a great way to capture all the individual jobs to be done that go into working towards resolution. From the initial draft, I can take over and leverage a template, renewal risk follow-up, referencing key data about their contract, link their renewal data, and offer times for a product consultation and include meeting times powered by Front Calendar. With Front, we've streamlined a complex interaction that would have previously taken a significant amount of time into just a few clicks, increasing agent capacity without sacrificing that premium service quality. For the next example, let's look at how you can offer self-service AI-powered customer support with Front. I'll start by showing you the perspective of a Front admin who can easily configure a customized help center with a knowledge base, customer portal, and autopilot. You can see our no-code help center editor where you can easily configure the experience you want to provide to your customers. I can toggle on a knowledge base, a portal where customers can submit and view the statuses of their tickets, as well as add the front chat widget to my site to offer autopilot. I can customize the site settings to match the look and feel of my brand, and it's easy to edit my knowledge content with a rich text editor. Now, let's look at a couple of examples of what it would look like for your customer seeking support. It's easy for me to browse knowledge articles to try and answer my question independently. I can also log into my customer portal and see the tickets that I've opened. And if I need to submit a new one, I can do so through this dynamic form. This form enables branching and collection of essential information, expediting ticket creation. It ensures your team receives comprehensive context, empowering them to respond effectively. If I want to engage in real time, I can start a chat conversation with Front Autopilot. I have a product question related to the ability to set up custom roles. I can select product question, and in this case, this is a topic that AI can handle. So AI will generate a response based on the information it has available. There are also times when we want AI to be the dispatcher rather than handle an issue on its own. For example, if we have someone writing in about wanting to cancel their subscription, we can route this to an agent to see if there's anything we can do to retain the customer. Now that you've seen a few core workflows, I want to walk you through the reporting capabilities in Front that allow you to better understand and manage your organization. To get an in-the-moment view of workload, leaders can leverage Front's live dashboard. This dashboard provides a real-time understanding of how many conversations need to be triaged, how many are being worked on, and which inboxes are receiving the highest volume of messages. Front also helps you keep a finger on the pulse of every interaction automatically. Smart QA uses AI to review and score agents' conversations based on your selected criteria, so you can track and understand performance for the metrics that matter most to your business. Smart CSAT goes beyond traditional surveys, using AI to analyze customer interactions and infer satisfaction levels to provide a complete view of CSAT. Front also lets you track your team's workload and performance metrics from a historical point of view. The workload report is a great starting point to see metrics like message and conversation volume and average response and resolution times. Finally, we can also drill into our resolution report to view resolution metrics by status, category, and more. This report allows support leaders to not only understand current performance, but also drill into outliers to drive continuous improvement across their organization. Ultimately, Front's AI-native, collaborative, and always-in-your-control platform enables 9,000 companies to deliver exceptional service at scale, without being slowed down by clunky legacy help desk. To learn more about Front and request a demo, head to front.com.